All right, science, nervous system revision we will do. Good morning. Nervous system revision. We have already studied the chapter. Let me brief you a little bit about the lesson again. In this chapter, we are going to study about different types of nerves, different types of organs which protect and work voluntary and involuntary, and how the brain works, how spinal cord works, and how different three types of nerves work: sensory nerve, motor nerve, and mixed nerves. We are going to study about it. So the first part that the chapter says is about nervous system. Our nervous system consists of our brain, spinal cord, reflex actions, and different types of nerves. And when we talk about brain consists of three parts, three major parts: cerebrum, cerebellum, medulla. Now, cerebrum is the largest part of the brain. It is here at the center. It is the memory part. It controls the memory. Whatever you imagine, whatever you memorize, whatever you learn, the question answers, the exercises for exam, all is done with the help of cerebrum. Okay, it is the largest part of the brain. You can see in the picture the cerebrum portion. It is some wavy like part, okay, which has curves on it. This part of the brain is called cerebrum. Then second part is cerebellum. After cerebrum comes the second part, which is cerebellum. Now cerebellum is used for the movement of our muscles. It controls the movement of muscles of arms and legs, means movements of our hands, movements of our legs, when we want to write, when we want to pick something, when we want to move. All these functions are controlled by cerebellum. This is cerebrum, this is cerebellum. See in the picture where is cerebellum. Okay. Then the third part comes medulla. Medulla is the stem which connects the brain to the spinal cord at the back. Look in the picture. It is a brain stem kind of a thing. Stem it is called. Why? Because it connects the brain to the spinal cord at the back. Okay. And what is the function of medulla? It controls breathing, it controls digestion and heartbeat. So brain has three parts: cerebrum, cerebellum, medulla. Full name is medulla oblongata. Okay, so work of cerebrum is the largest part of the brain. The work of it to control learning, imagination, thinking power. Second is medulla, it controls the movement of arms and legs. Then third is second is cerebellum, then third is medulla, it controls the digestion, breathing, heartbeats, etc. Clear? Functions of all three parts of the brain is clear. Then comes spinal cord. Spinal cord, as I told you, is the backbone. Another name for backbone is a spinal cord. Many nerves from the brain go and attach to the spinal cord. And reflex action, the main function of spinal cord is to control reflex actions. What are reflex actions? Reflex actions are sudden reactions due to some outside changes or stimulus. For example, if you touch anything hot, you immediately remove your hand from that place. This function is controlled by spinal cord and not the brain. Why? Because the reaction is so quick that signal does not reaches the brain. The signal reaches the spinal cord and spinal cord immediately tells the hand to remove, to be away from that place. So reflex actions are sudden actions which are controlled by the spinal cord of our body. Okay. Then comes nerves. Nerves are of three types: sensory nerves, motor nerves, mixed nerves. Sensory nerves are nerves that carry messages from the sense organs to the brain, like whatever we see, whatever we hear, whatever we speak, these signals are sent to the brain. For example, in front of you, I keep a rose. First, you are looking at the rose. Then the signal is going into the brain that which flower is this? Rose. So, which nerve is doing this function? Sensory nerve is doing this function. The nerves which carry messages from the sense organs. You are touching. I've blindfolded you. And keep your hand on the thorn. Now, when you will keep your hand on the thorn, it will prick you. Okay, so the messages which are sending from your sense organ, and touch is a sense organ, skin is a sense organ. So messages which are sent from the sense organs to the brain, these types of nerves are called sensory nerves. Then secondly, the nerves which carry messages from the brain to the other parts of the body. Means you are sitting here right now and you want to go to the washroom or to drink water. Then first it will come into your mind. Then when it will come into your mind, then you will think and then you will ask the teacher to take the permission and go. So the nerves, the messages which are given from or transferred from your brain to the sense organs or other parts of the body, they are known as, they are carried by which nerve? They are carried by motor nerves. What are you doing, Hania? Why you are moving in your whole room? Then third are mixed nerves. Mixed nerves are those nerves which do both the functions. Means they carry messages from the brain to the sense organs and from the sense organs to the brain. All right. Then we are going to study about eyes. Now, one or two things, make sure eye diagram is very important for exam. Put a tick mark there and write important. Eye diagram is very important for exam. Tongue diagram is very important for exam. Tongue diagram, eye diagram, and brain diagram. These three diagrams are very important for exam. The human brain, the human eye, the human tongue. Huh? What happened? The human brain, the human eye, the human brain, the human eye, and the human tongue. These three diagrams are very important for your half yearly exams. Put a tick mark and write there important. Then function of eye. What eye does? Eye, the work of eye is to depict the pictures what we see. Make image. Okay, how the image is formed in the eye? Our eyes work like a camera. First we see the picture, then image is formed at the back of the eye, that is on the retina, which is upside down. Then the image is sent to the brain correct it and then tells us what type of a picture it is. Our eyes consist of different parts. First, the white part is the cornea, the black part is the iris, then one more black small part portion is there, it is called the pupil. Inside it the waves enter. When the waves enter inside at the back, the lens part, then in retina the image is formed, that image is upside down. Then the brain corrects it and tells us what thing we are looking at. Clear? This is the function of an eye. Then ear also. What is the function of ear? Ear has three parts: the outer ear, the middle ear, and the inner ear. When the waves goes and enter inside our ear, it crosses the layers and it goes to one thin sheet, that is eardrum. It hits it. When it hits it, the eardrum vibrates. When the eardrum vibrates, the sound is produces, and that sound goes to the mind, and mind help us to listen what is happening outside the world. Okay. Then another type of sense organs are nose, tongue, and skin. We all know nose helps in smelling the products, tongue help us to taste, and skin help us to feel. Okay, so this is chapter consisted of basically the nervous system, the brain, the reflex action, the spinal cord, the different types of sense organs. There are few questions that I am going to give you related to this chapter, few questions and few one word answers and diagram. This you have to do in your revision register. Where you have to do? In your revision register. Okay, for example, now tell me the largest part of the brain. Largest part of the brain. Very good, cerebrum. Okay. Second, control center of our body. Control center of our body, dash. Brain, very good. Then, okay. Nerves that carry messages from the brain. Nerves that carry messages from the brain to the other parts. Motor nerves, very good, very good, very good. Dash part of the brain maintains body balance. Which part of the brain contains maintains body balance? Cerebellum. Cerebellum. Yes. Spinal cord controls dash actions. Spinal cord controls dash action. Reflex actions. Very good, very good. Now you have understood. These type of questions will come in exam. Okay. And a short note on eyes. Eyes work like a camera. Explain. This short note is also very important. You have to learn it. Okay. So I'm going to give you the PDF and you have to do the revision in your revision copies. All right.